Hey friends, Pritha here. Welcome to Glossy Space Interior, and this video is from Brigade Citadel. Guys, this is our fifth project at Brigade Citadel, and you can see the result. This is a safety door, like one more extra door out of your main door. Okay, so guys, you can see this is a like SS1 SS grill, and the design you can see it's very nice. Yeah? It's a 304 grade steel, so that non-rust, and very dark color laminated. Yeah, and here you come to the beautiful living space. After entrance, MCB was given here. So after TV unit, we have extended that part, and rafter, beautiful white, not exactly white, like kind of beige and golden color combination rafter. And here, like you can see, we made a box for MCBs. This is a push button. And here also the same one more box we have given for keys. Many keys can be accommodated over here. And then you can see a huge TV unit. TV unit laminate. This is a dark color theme. It's a very dark, like 2-3 color combination. You can see like dark blue and little brown tinge is there. And it's a high gloss laminate. You can see even golden color metal putty we have given to enhance the beauty. And you can see one extra shelf we have given for this speaker. This is a TV table, again dark wooden color, and 2 glass cabinets and 2 soft closing doors. Here this is the long unit, long glass unit, where they can keep many artifacts, and we have given L-shaped profile light to enhance the beauty. So this is beautiful living unit, and you can see guys, this is ceiling one. It's a gypsum ceiling, and we kept combination of profile light and texture paint. This is not any wooden work, guys. See here, this is just same design we have followed here also. Okay, because this is living and dining, it's a long space, so we have divided into 2 parts where we repeated the same design, and at middle you can see little rafter work we have given along with a chandelier. And here is the provisions for jhula. Actually, jhula is going to be installed very soon. So this is a sitting area of living space. Background wall, you can see guys, this is a very beautiful wallpaper with 7 horses, which is actually very good for Vastu. And this border you can see, this is a WPVC border molding, and above that we went with white Duco pen. 6-seater sofa is there, very good, it's a very tight cushioned sofa. You can see long curtain we have given, long curtain space we have given, and here light also is there, okay, rope light is there. So 2 layered curtain is there, sheer curtain, see-through, and you can see this is the blackout curtain. Here you can close it totally. We have continued the same theme, same color theme, like light grey, cream color, light beige, and little dark tone of blue. So this is crockery unit. Crockery unit, you can see little, we combined it with glass and solid work, and little open space also we have given, and profile light is here. So this is push to open, handle-less shutter. Here are the soft closing drawers. 3 drawers are there, and this is Gola profile. Here is also 2 shutters. And at middle we have given grooved mirror. And one more thing is there, guys, this is a foldable dining table. So whenever extra guest will be there, they can use it. At least 3 members can sit over here. And down you can see it's a locked wheel. So this is a beautiful arch between living and kitchen. So it's a laminated work. You can see it's a dark color, dark walnut color laminate textured. And the same theme, like see the doors are also very dark chocolatey color, so that the same color tone we wanted to continue throughout. So, and background guys, you can see it's a charcoal, white and golden, as they have planned to keep here this beautiful Krishna idol. It's really looking awesome. And here you can see one beautiful hanging light is there. Here also a small storage. So guys, this is the beautiful kitchen part. It's a U-shaped countertop, white color quartz stone. It is 18 mm in thickness and beautiful self worked. Along with the background backsplash, we have given 15 mm of tiles. okay, which is going really good. And total laminate combination, we have taken light beige color and light chocolatey color acrylic laminate, and we have kept combination of Gola profile in black. You can see the total kitchen is like light theme along with the black combination, and three kind of storages are there, like down storage, and then here middle overhead storage, and then loft. So here you can see storage, you can see here these are the three tandem boxes. This is for thali, and here bottle pull out. Here also extra storage, and this is a corner unit. You have to give this kind of hinges for that, for easy access. And this long space is for, storing long container along with the grinder. So it's a pull out tray for mixer grinder. Overhead glass units like black profile, black metal profile with black tint glass. And here this is the hydraulic, both are hydraulic shutter. The same design we have continued that side also. And this is the curved chimney, and you can see for covering the extra space beside chimney we kept like this door. And these are like hydraulic loft. This is a pan pull out where you can keep at least 6 pans. And down also for small plates we have given one extra storage. Guys, this is a pantry unit. It's a full pantry, dark grey color and glass model. Lot of accessories, pantry accessories can be accommodated over here. These are adjustable tray, you can remove here and you can again keep back according to the sizes of your belongings. One extra unit with glass shutter, and this space is for refrigerator. So this is all about kitchen. So friends, this is puja unit. So puja unit we have done with white and dark walnut color laminate. So these are the CNC cut on the doors. It's a double door unit. You can see here is long glass, digital glass. Venkateshwara Ji is there, and you can see another 4 small shelves we have given with spotlight for keeping small idols. Background we have given white and gold rafter. These are charcoal rafter, and white color nano stone is there, all 3 steps, and these are the laminates. So these are the folding doors. You can lift little and it will go inside. Okay, again you can take it out. So this is a tray for keeping extra thalis, one drawer, and this is for sitting area and extra storage. So this is all about the puja unit. So friends, this is the master bedroom of this house. Ceiling you can see rafter and white, brown and white combination along with the profile light and spotlight, and 4 panel lights we have given. This is the bed back wall where we have given beautiful light beige and golden color, like little traditional touched design wallpaper. And here you can see one small window is there, so that we have given blind for this. It's a foldable blind. And this is the dressing table. Actually requirement was there for hidden dressing table, so we planned like this. Mirror is here and extra storage we have given. So this is a full height glass wardrobe from Aristo. Combination we have taken pearly white with little grey. It's a kind of grey. Okay, this combination along with a matte gold profile, 15mm profile, looking really awesome, and with a central lock. So as this is not a toughened glass, one more character I will tell you which can give you the safety. Back of this, I cannot show you here. Back of this, one extra film has been added so that it will give you the same effect of toughened glass. Like if accidentally if anything happen, the glass will not hurt you. It will become a very small tiny particle, so that it will be total safe to use. So this is half of the wall. This is the wardrobe, and another half it is a low sitting area. You can see window is there. This is a cushion, and down also we have given handleless storage. So these are the acrylic laminates. The same tone we continued here, and little dark color, like it's very nice tint green. Okay, this is like really little popping out color for this room. And here is also extra storage for keeping regular clothes. This is the TV unit we have taken from the ceiling, and two soft closing drawers we have given with a butterfly model golden knob. Yeah, this is all about the master bedroom. It's a vanity unit down and up you can see storages are there. These are the openable shutter storage along with the high gloss laminate. Like same TV color only we have continued over here along with the rose gold handle. And upper storage is with hydraulic. And down we have given profile light. A beautiful mirror is there with same color combination like rose gold border. Yeah, and rose gold tap is there. And this countertop is, you can see little, which is looking really beautiful. This is all about the vent unit. So guys, this is children bedroom of this house. Ceiling part you can see we have given study area. You can see 4 feet table is there, and this is the like 4 inches drawer up with a beautiful rose gold knob. Color tone is dark beige color. It's matte laminate. Overall you can see single color. Only we have highlighted this part with printed, it's kind of kalamkari theme. Green and yellow and beige, 3-4 colors are there on this print, which is really enhancing the beauty and soberness of the room. It's a sliding wardrobe, factory finished work. This is a small drawer for keeping your small items like watches and all. This is a hanging space, concealed handle with mirror, dark rose gold color, which is giving a light and dark combination of laminate and handle. And this is a hidden dressing unit, and down we have given this extra storage for keeping all dressing items. Teak wood bed is there, and one beautiful wallpaper which is very child friendly theme, kind of space theme. Yeah, rainbow is there, and you can see it's a space theme so that child will be very happy. So this is all about the children's bedroom. So this is the guest bedroom. Guest bedroom color we have taken very subtle blue and blue high gloss laminate, plain high gloss, and this is a fluted high gloss. We kept plain high gloss on loft part, and both the sliding you can see with fluted laminate. Drawers are there and extra shelves has been given. These all are modular work. Here is one long unit. It will actually serve dual purposes, like one is the long dressing table which will be hidden, and along with that for keeping regular dresses we have given extra space with hangers. And here also we kept little shelf so that dressing items can be accommodated over here. So it's a push to open door. Yeah. And a beautiful, wow, it's cream and same blue and gold tinge color wallpaper, which is really going good with this theme. Thank you friend for watching this video. Please share with your friend and family. So any kind of budget friendly interior, like how much ever is your budget, we can fit into that, and we can give you the best output, and we'll follow your timeline according to your need. So why late? Please do contact us. Thank you. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.